Mr. President, second half na po kayo ng administrasyon ninyo. And you said you wanted things done and done fast.
Yes.
Are you still optimistic that you are going to accomplish what you set out to accomplish by the end of your term?
6 years it goes very quickly. And considering that we were still coming out of the pandemic in 2022, the initial work that we did was really to change the systems in government, to change the investment profile of the Philippines, to change. So these are very fundamental, very basic changes that take a little time. Dahil a bureaucracy is the biggest employer. Parang ano yan parang yung tanker. Para lumikot, it takes 12 kilometers, di ba, bago liliko yung tanker dahil napakalaki. Ganyan ang gobyerno. Bago umurong yan, bago umikot yan, napakatagal, napakabagal. That's why I keep talking, kailangan bilisan na ninyo. Dahil kung hindi natin gawin to, baka hindi na magawa. So that's what we
If
trying to achieve.
if there's one project na gusto nyong matapos bago matapos ang term nyo, just one.
Education. Yung aking sinabi sa SONA, na ang bawat pamilyang Pilipino, merong college graduate o merong nag-graduate sa TESDA. Bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Yun para sa akin. Pag nagawa natin to, successful yun.
And that is doable in the next 3 years, you think?
I think so. I think it is doable. Kung tutuusin mo naman, lahat naman ng ginagawa tayo, maglalagay tayo ng trend, maglalagay tayo ng ayusin natin yung sistema. Pag hindi magandang training, hindi magandang edukasyon ng mga Pilipino, hindi man sila makakapag-compete. Hindi ba in the labor market? Wala rin silang walang advantage lahat ng ating ginawa. Kaya ang punot dulo talaga nila education. Our greatest resource is our people. Our greatest resource is the human capital of the Philippines. You don't have to look at figures. Just talk to foreigners where the Philippines are in their country and what they think of Filipinos and how highly they think of Filipinos. That's all you need to hear. And what are we doing? We should not waste that. We should not waste that. In many industries around the world, if all else being equal, kung pantay-pantay lang lahat, Pilipino yung kukunin ko. Mas gusto ko Pilipino. For me, that is the most important part of all this development that we are doing. Never mind the physical development, that's also important. But the most important is the human development. And that's why education is, for me, will be the gauge of success of this administration.
Mr. President, thank you very much for the opportunity.
Thank you.
I hope this is not the last time.
I am sure it will not be.
Thank you.
Salamat.
Salamat po. Salamat.